flat ironing my hair to show you guys what 3 bundles of raw Indian hair looks like. It actually is not a full 3 bundles of hair. It's actually like 2.5 because I have leave out. That's what's up in my little ponytail holder right here is my leave out. So this is what 3 bundles of raw Indian hair looks like, or 2.5 bundles of what raw Indian hair looks like. I have 2 28s and a 26, and I haven't put any oil in it. This is just wash, condition, and blow dried. And I blow dried it with the flat iron, not the flat iron, but a rolling brush, a round brush, and my blow dryer. My blow dryer died, so I had to use my mini blow dryer. But this is what 3 bundles of raw Indian hair looks like. Excuse my shirt and my sweatpants. But I want you guys to see the thickness of raw Indian hair is. And how the natural texture and the shine of it and the movement. This is what your hair will look like with 3 bundles or 2.5 bundles, and it's thick from root to tip. So if you guys are wearing hair that's still thin at the ends, that is no bueno. Not good at all. Your hair, if you have 3, 4, 5 bundles in and your hair is still thin, it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be super thick like this. But I want to show you guys before I started flat ironing what it looks like after you blow dry and has no product in it, just as is. So here it is. So some of the things I'm using to flat iron my hair with, the Silk Infusion as a heat protectant. You probably seen this everywhere, so I'm not even going into detail about that. Kenra Daily Provision leave-in conditioner, and my flat iron. I don't know what inch this is. I got it off Groupon's. And this lovely comb here, rat tooth comb or rat tail comb. And I'm going to use the Chase method, but you guys probably already seen that before. I already put some of those products on my hair, so how I'm looking at the mirror. So I'll just take the hair, put a little tension on it, and slowly move down the hair. And it's not burning the hair, that's just the product that's on the hair. And your hair will come out like this. Very shiny, very straight. Let me turn the light up. That way you can see. Just straight and silky. I hope you guys can see that. And I'm going to do another one for you. Let me get that out the way. Get this out the way. I think that's a little too much. Take it. I'm going to comb it out. Detangle it. Take a little, like, I'll show you, this much of the Silk Infusion, which is very little. Rub it in between my fingers and just put it on my hair. And concentrating on the ends, because the ends are the last thing that grown out the scalp. So basically your ends are dead. So you want to protect the ends of your hair, especially with raw Indian hair or any raw hair extensions that you have, you want to protect your hair because it's an investment. With raw hair, it will last you years and years and years if you just take care of it. And I'm going to spray a little bit of leave-in. Brush that in. Let me switch brushes. Brush that in. And as you see, it already has a little nice little sheen to it. All right. Gonna get my comb. Put it right here. Take my flat iron. Hold a little tension. And pull down with the flat iron. And remember, that's just product. That's not my hair burning. And there you go. That's how you flat iron your hair. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Natural movement. Has enough bounce. It's gorgeous. Not heavy, not weighed down. Just flows. And if any of y'all are asking why I use Kenra, because Kenra is a lightweight product. All their products are lightweight, and it's great to have your hair, natural hair, permed, relaxed hair, hair extensions to have movement, just like this. So that's why I use a lot of Kenra products. And plus it smells good. I think it smells like candy. All their products smell like candy, which it smells so good. But yeah, this is how I flat iron my hair extensions. And this is raw Indian hair. This is actually off my site, AmelyNaireHair.com. And I'm going to finish flat ironing the rest of my hair, and when I get closer to the top and start to blend my hair, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I have finished flat ironing my raw Indian hair. This is my hair, and I need to show you guys how I blend it. But let me show you real quick how I flat ironed my hair, my Indian hair. I know you saw me do a piece already, but if you didn't see it, I'm gonna do a little top piece, and then I'm gonna blend my hair. So as you know, earlier I told you I put the Silk Infusion in. Kenra leave-in. And I take my rat tooth comb or rat tail comb, or I take a brush and I just go ahead, pull some tension on it, and slowly flat iron my hair. And this is the raw Indian wavy to curly off my website, but I just flat ironed it, and there you go. This is the natural luster. It has plenty of movement, natural shine, good amount of swing, even though I'm not rocking too hard. It's not stiff. It's still really thick. I'm looking at the mirror if anybody is wondering. So yeah. So let's blend my leave out. A little bit already has been blended. So I'm going to part some. And see if it's straight. It's actually a lot to leave out, but you know what? It is what it is. It's straight enough. There you go. It's straight enough, I believe. Okay. So with my leave out, put that right here. I'll take some and put some heat protectant in it. Finally done with my hair. This is the raw Indian hair from my site. This is the wavy to curly, but now it's straightened. And this is the natural color, the natural luster. No products have been put in the hair besides heat protectant. So that's great. It has a lot of movement. Very much a lot of movement with ease. And it blends perfectly with my natural hair. As you can see, this is all my leave out up here. And it blends perfectly. I'll do another tutorial on how I blend my natural hair with my raw Indian hair. This hair is on my site at www.amelynaire.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friends and family. Also 4 to 5 away from hitting 200 subscribers. So when I hit 200, I'll have a giveaway. Also follow me on my social media, my Instagram pages at Amelynaire Hair, as well as it's Amelie03. I would greatly appreciate that. And I also try to announce it there as well. So once again, this is the raw Indian hair that has been straightened and only has leave-in protectant in it. Nothing else.